Hi guys! Today I'll tell you how to make a natural lotion for rejuvenation. To prepare a home remedy you'll need only 2 ingredients: 4 tablespoons of freshly squeezed aloe juice and a tablespoon of vodka. Put both ingredients in a glass bank. Mix everything well and close the lid. Store the ready remedy in a refrigerator. Shelf life 1 month. Wipe your face with lotion 2 times a day. This tandem increases the amount of elastin and collagen in the dermis, which leads to rejuvenation of skin.